What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna walk you through in a step-by-step guide on how to log out of your Mailchimp account. Sounds easy, right? But before we jump into the action, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures. And we'll keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back and we appreciate you all for your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on this journey with all of you on board once again. Okay, it's a walk in the park, really. It's a breeze. Logging out of your Mailchimp account or any online account has its own reasons and advantages. Let me just share to you that when you log out of your Mailchimp account, you are effectively ending your active session. That means anyone with access to your computer or device cannot access your Mailchimp account, right? So without re-entering your login credentials, it helps prevent unauthorized access and portals to protect your account from potential misuse or data breaches. Logging out ensures your privacy, right? So if multiple people use the same computer or device, logging out allows each user to maintain their privacy and security, preventing one person from accidentally or intentionally accessing another person's Mailchimp account. So it depends on your organization's policies or industry regulations. It may be a requirement to log out of accounts when not in use, because compliance with these rules is essential to avoid potential legal or regulatory issues in the future. By regularly logging out, you can monitor your account activity more effectively. If you notice any unusual or unauthorized activity, it's easier to take corrective measures when you are not perpetually logged in. So some online services have session management features that allow you to remotely log out of your account from another device or location, and this can be handy if you accidentally leave your account logged in a public computer or if you suspect unauthorized access. Now, logging out of your Mailchimp account is a walk in the park. All you gotta do is go to a separate browser, go to google.com and type in mailchimp.com, create an account. It's easy, super fast. And once you created your account, log in with your credentials. And once you are successful, all you gotta do is go to the upper right and check this one. Log out. That easy. It's a wrap. Logging out in your Mailchimp account is a security best practice that helps protect your data, privacy, and account integrity. It's a simple but effective way to ensure that only authorized users can access and make changes to your account. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials in the future. If you have any topics that you would like us to discuss, just leave in the comments below. We love reading your feedbacks, and thank you so much for our loyal patrons and subscribers who relentlessly share this link to their friends, family, and it makes our small community bigger every day. And for that, we are eternal grateful for you all. And again, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye.